Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I have, you guys, let me show you, a ton of, there's shit falling everywhere. I have a ton of empties. This is literally pretty much everything, almost everything that I finished in the month of September. So I had some empties from the end of August, and then pretty much I finished the rest of the stuff in the month of September. This is going to be my September empties. Obviously, I didn't go through a full body wash in September, but this is just products that I finished in the month of September, if that makes sense. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's get into this because there's a lot of shit here, okay? Starting off with one of my favorite dry shampoos ever. This is the EMPTIES dry shampoo in their dark hair version because obviously I have dark roots. So I love to use this when I'm on like day 3 or 4 of my hair. And I of course finished one because I literally go through these like water. So yeah, I already have another one that I already repurchased because I can't be without it, okay? Let's get into body care, okay? This body wash from Naturium, this is their salicylic acid body wash. It's called the Perfector. This is an unscented body wash, which is totally fine. I mainly would use this at night, like after work and stuff. I love this. Even though it's unscented, when you wash your body with this, you feel so freaking clean. And sometimes from time to time, I can have like little or like reactions to like something I ate or just something I'm using. And this, since it has salicylic acid, if I had like little bumps on my chest, I know that when I wash my body with this, it's going to help get rid of those. And I absolutely love this. So if you're sensitive to scent and you can't find a good body wash that's unscented, check out this from Naturium. I literally am obsessed with it, and I will definitely repurchase it. I just haven't repurchased it yet. So since we're sticking with body care, this is a Finnish lotion from Saltair. This is in their scent Santal Bloom. You guys, I absolutely love Saltair, and this is one of my favorite scents ever, you guys. Let me just smell it quick because I love it so much. Yeah, literally one of my favorite scents. There's literally just like that much left in here. This is pretty much empty. I can't get anything out anymore. I literally was like shaking it like crazy all last week. But you guys, I love their lotions. I love this scent. I will 100% repurchase it, but I do have like 1 or 2 more Saltair lotions that I'm in the middle of working on. So I haven't repurchased it yet, but if I was going to, I 100% would, and I absolutely love it. It's moisturizing, smells amazing. It's just a great, great body lotion. Now this next body lotion, if I could, I would have already repurchased it, you guys. This is from Fenty Skin. This is their Butter Drop Vanilla Dream Whipped Body Oil Cream. You guys, the way, I mean, I have a little bit left. I actually should like, oh, look at it. It's so old, it's broken. This is like I think 2 years old because I was like waiting for them to like launch it, and they never did. So I'm actually just gonna use whatever is left and put it on my body right now. But you can see like the glow that this gives me. And you guys, when I mean this scent lasts, it's a strong scent, but not in the way where it's like overbearing. It's strong, meaning that it's gonna last a super long time. So I love using this at night because it's super, super hydrating, and I will literally wake up in the morning and still smell like this. It's just a shame because they discontinued this. Like, I don't know why they would do that. This is such a good scent. So if I could repurchase this, I would. But unfortunately I can't because Fenty Beauty hates me, and they launched a great body cream and they just were like, oh, you know, we're gonna launch it for holiday 2022, I think it was, and we're just never gonna bring it back. Like, joke's on you. Thank you so much, Rihanna. I love you for that, but I really wish you would just restock this because it's frigging amazing. Another Naturium product, you guys, and also another body lotion. You guys are probably like, wow, you've gone through so many body lotions. Yeah, because I literally lotion my body morning and night. So this was another nighttime one. This is the Naturium Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Butter. I already have a restock of this. Like, I love this stuff. Like, this is wiped clean, you guys. So this has a very soft scent. So it's not super strong. It's not going to be overbearing, but it is very, very, very hydrating. I absolutely love this. And I actually have the body wash that they sent me, but I haven't used it yet. I'm actually going to put it in my shower tonight. But you guys, I love this. So if you're super sensitive to scents and you don't want an overpowering scent, but you want something that's more like fresh. I wouldn't say this is fruity, florally, musky, none of the above. It's a very fresh scent. Then yeah, I would 100% recommend this. And if you have really dry skin, especially with winter coming up, I don't think you'll be disappointed with this because she's amazing. Another body lotion. This is again from Saltair. This is their body lotion in the scent Lush Greens. I really, really, really enjoy this scent, but I don't necessarily think I would repurchase it because this scent in particular doesn't last a long time. So like, it'll last for like the first like hour, and then after that it's kind of gone. Like the Santal Bloom one will last a little bit longer than this one. This one doesn't last that long, which is disappointing because it does smell amazing. Let me just give it another quick smell. Yeah, this is a very unique scent. Has coconut oil, sea fennel, bamboo, I actually don't know what the scent notes are, but it does smell really, really good. I just wish that it lasted a long time. So this one, I kind of just finished up because I had it and I was like, all right, we're gonna finish her up. But I wouldn't necessarily repurchase that scent. Last body lotion, you guys. I know I go through a lot of body lotions. This is the Osea, I'm pretty sure that's how you pronounce them, body lotion. So this is just their signature scent, like their seaweed scent. I do really like this one. It is a very thin moisturizer. So it's not as thick and hydrating as the Saltair or as the Naturium, but it'll get the job done. The scent on this actually does last a pretty long time. And I love this seaweed scent that that Osea has. It's very, very unique. It's unlike anything that I own. I just wish their moisturizer was a little bit thicker. So this, I don't know if I would repurchase it, to be totally honest with you. They did send this to me in PR, but I really don't know if I would repurchase it. If they made this, but a little bit thicker, then I would. They have like their body butter, but there's something in there that gives me like little bumps on my chest. Like I can't use their body oil, their body butter. I used to when I first got it, and then I noticed the more that I started using it recently, I would constantly have like little bumps on my chest. So I was like, I don't know what's going on there, but this, I love this scent. I wish they would make this in a perfume. I don't think they do, but I would not repurchase it. Okay, so moving on, we have a full finish Tree Hut Vanilla Moisturizing Shave Oil. This is my favorite shaving oil of all time. I have repurchased a million of these. I do specifically love this one in vanilla, but recently I repurchased their one in Tropic Glow, I think it is, and I love that. That's like the Sol de Janeiro dupe. Smells amazing, but I 100% would repurchase this. I love this shaving oil. It's amazing. It doesn't give me razor burns. It's very smooth. I am obsessed with it, so 10 out of 10, I recommend her. You guys have been around for a while, whether it's TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, wherever, then you know how much I frigging love this from Caudalie. This is their grape water. It's their 7.1 fluid ounce one. I use this morning and night. It is the only way that I do my skincare. So first I will spray this on my face, then go in with all my products, because spraying this, number one, it's so refreshing, cooling. It literally will like wake you up. I love using this specifically too in the morning, right when I'm getting ready for the gym at like 5 o'clock in the morning. This is an instant like pick me up. I love it. The way that it feels on your skin, it doesn't break me out. I know it's expensive water, but I really truthfully don't care. I will continue to repurchase this because I absolutely love it. Through a, what is this? A 5 fluid ounce of the Beauty Blender soap. I will continue to purchase this. I don't know if somebody's car alarm is going off. Is it mine? No, okay. So annoying. But this is the Beauty Blender soap. Obviously it's used to clean your sponges. I don't use Beauty Blender sponges anymore, but I still use this to clean my sponges. It's my favorite. It doesn't break me out. It doesn't deteriorate my blenders. I've tried other ones in the past and I've had like crazy reactions on my face. They've like destroyed my my sponges. So this is just my tried and true. I know it's a little expensive, but I love her and I will continue to repurchase it. We have not one, but 2 Saltair empty body sprays, okay? This is their scent Santal Bloom. This is their scent Pacific Pear. You guys, this scent Pacific Pear, there's like a little bit left in here. Oh my God. Oh, that's actually a pretty decent amount left in here. Wow. Why did I put this in here? Anyways, this kind of reminds me of hairspray, but fruity hairspray. No, you know, I absolutely love this scent from them. Like, I wish they would make, I don't know if they make it in a body wash. I think they might, but I truthfully don't think they do. I think they make it in a body lotion. Either way, they need to make it into a frigging body wash, body oil, deodorant, everything that they can possibly think of, because I love this scent so much. This is Santal Bloom. Again, like I just said, I had the body lotion, so I did love pairing these together. I do love this scent. It is amazing. There's like barely, oh yeah, there's like nothing left in here. Yeah, this one, oh, I love this one too. You guys, Saltair, I don't understand if you guys haven't tried it already. You haven't seen it on TikTok. You haven't seen me rave about it. I don't know why you haven't tried it. They're so affordable. These, I believe, are $16 and you get 8 fluid ounces. This literally lasted me like a year to year and a half. Like, I absolutely love this frigging spray. It lasts such a long time. So absolutely obsessed, and I love their packaging. It's so frigging unique. It's unlike any other body spray that I own. So 10 out of 10 recommend. I love that. Actually, I already had a full size of this when I finished this because I knew I was coming close to an end. This I haven't repurchased yet, but I definitely will. I'm just trying to do this thing where I don't buy perfume or body spray until I kind of finish what I have, because I have so many, there's no need for me to keep buying. But if I didn't have like a million and one body sprays, I would 100% repurchase this right away. This, like I said, I already repurchased it not too long ago because I knew I was running low. Another body spray. This is viral from Fleur. This is their scent Amber Haze. So this is pretty much a dupe for Baccarat Rouge, I'm pretty sure. This is another one that smells frigging incredible, you guys. This is literally Baccarat. So if you were looking for an affordable like dupe for Baccarat Rouge that you can take on the go, that you can travel with, or just to have in your collection, this from Fleur, you guys. It is amazing. It's very musky. What are the notes? I don't even know if, oh yeah. Saffron, whatever that is, I have no idea. Jasmine, absolute. Amber, vanilla musk, and oak moss, I'm pretty sure. Oh, it's in the gourmand and woodsy family. It's very woodsy, it's very baccarat. It's very, very, very baccarat. I freaking love it. Whenever I smell baccarat, I'm like, this is the same frigging thing. It's literally identical, you guys. I mean, I don't own baccarat, but I've smelled it, like I said, a million times, and this, to me, is baccarat, okay? Love it. Again, I would 100% repurchase her. But like I said 2 minutes ago, I am waiting to finish all the other shit that I have because I need to not have as much as I have. If you guys saw my perfume like declutters, like the 3 parts of it, then you understand because I am a perfume hoarder, a perfume connoisseur, if you will. So this, I would repurchase it, but not at this time. This perfume from Kylie, this is Sweet Diamond. So this is pink pepper, you guys. The way that this frigging smells. Okay, so at first you'd be like it smells nice, but like, it may not be for everyone. No. Let me tell you. The way that this mixes with your skin and your body chemistry and whatever the heck you want to call it, smells incredible, you guys. It literally lasts so long. I can spray it in this room. This room will smell like pink pepper for like a day or two. Like, not even freaking kidding. My clothes, I will even wash my clothes. The clothes that I was wearing when I was wearing this perfume will still have a hint of pink pepper. This is amazing. I really do love Kylie scents. Again, this is Sweet Diamond pink pepper, and this bottle is like, this is like luxury. This is royalty, you guys. This bottle is frigging to die for. I love this. This lasted me like a good 2 frigging years, and every time I wear it, I would get compliments on it. My good friend Santos, he's actually PR Firecracker on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, so check him out because he's a very talented makeup artist. But we used to work together, and he literally, anytime he would smell this on me, he'd be like, what are you wearing? That he went out and bought it himself. So it smells amazing. Everybody loves it. So if you wanted a good, like, different perfume, that's your girl. Ooh, we have a perfume that is discontinued, and it's so heartbreaking because I truthfully, Kim Kardashian, I know you have no fucking clue who I am, but if you're watching by any chance, why have you not relaunched your fragrance line? Like, I need to know, because this scent right here, this is the collab with Kylie and her. Obviously the lips gives it away. This is very soft, baby powdery, but also florally. This smells amazing. And I remember when this one came out, specifically the nude one, everybody went fucking buck wild for this, okay? Everybody loved it. Everybody was talking about it. The packaging is adorable. The scent, you guys, I don't know why. At least bring this back, and bring back, what's the other one? What's my favorite? Crystal Gardenia, okay? If you're gonna do anything, Kim Kardashian, I know you're getting the Menendez brothers out of jail. Like, you're doing so many amazing things. Do us a service, please, and bring back your perfumes, because I don't understand why you haven't done that yet. Maybe you are, and I'm just talking shit, but yeah. This, if I could, this is something that, again, I would repurchase. Like Rihanna, Kim K and Rihanna, they seem to like hate me because 2 of my favorite scents, like, they just discontinued, and there's no sign of them ever coming back. So I don't know what I just dropped everything, but I don't know what I ever did to Kim K and Rihanna, but clearly they're out to get me, okay? Okay, so we have an empty of the Juno & Co. Cleansing Balm, you guys. One of my favorite cleansing balms of all time. The way that it lathers, and it's like, the way that it's just like emollient and just melts everything off your skin. I spoke about this a bunch on TikTok and Instagram. I absolutely love it. I haven't repurchased it yet though, because again, I have a bunch that I get sent to me in PR, so I'm trying to finish those before I go ahead and repurchase this. But had I not had like ones that I got in PR, I of course would have repurchased it. Like, you can see that I literally like wiped this clean. I love this, you guys. It's amazing. It doesn't break me out. It's super, it really does a great job of just melting your makeup off, you guys. So if you were looking for a good cleansing balm, Juno & Co., this one, amazing. I have an empty fat oil from NYX. This is in their shade Livin' the Cream. I absolutely love this. It's a cool tone brown, but you would think that it goes on super intense, and it doesn't. It just gives you a nice flush of brown on your lips. Super hydrating. I literally already have another one of these in my work bag. This is my go-to like lip oil when I'm at work. I don't have to think about it. I just throw it on my lips and I'm done. So I literally keep it in my pocket while I'm at work all day, and I reapply it like a million times. But yeah, I already have another one in my work bag because this is amazing. If you're like a brown, cool, tony girl, let me see if I can like give you like an idea. I don't want to put it on my lips because it's been a while since I've used this, but You can kind of see what it looks like there. It is freaking amazing and I absolutely love it. The last item that I want to talk to you guys about, you guys, this is from Naturium. This is their Barrier Bounce Advanced Skin Hydrator, okay? It has 5% squalene and 2% urea, whatever the heck that means, and ceramide complex. This is to die for. I spoke about it in my Ulta favorites. I think I spoke about it in my August favorite. Yeah, my Ulta favorites and then my August favorites. You guys, if you're a dry skin girl or you're a normal to dry skin girl and you want hydration, this is going to give it to you. There's oh yeah, there's a little bit left, so I can kind of show you guys. This is the consistency. You can't feel it, obviously, but it's so thick and unique. It's unlike any serum that I own because you can not only use this as a serum, but you can use it as a moisturizer as well. So if you were looking for like extra hydration, or you just kind of want like a one and done type thing, like you don't want a moisturizer because it's too thick, you don't want a serum because it's too thin, you want something in between, then this would be for you. I use it not by itself, but when I was in Aruba, I told this story, I think in my Ulta favorites, but when I was in Aruba, I brought this and then forgot to bring a moisturizer, so this was my all-in-one at nighttime, and I absolutely loved it. How I use it when I have a moisturizer is I use this as my serum and then I go in on top of it with the moisturizer, and I absolutely am obsessed with this. It's amazing. So if you're a dry skin girly, especially with the drier months coming up like fall and winter, you guys, Naturium has you freaking covered. They're an amazing brand. I absolutely love them, in case you can't tell. So that completes this video, you guys. These are all of my empties that I finished in the month of September. Let me know in the comments if you have tried any of these, if you think I'm crazy for the amount of stuff that I went through. Again, this wasn't stuff that I finished in 1 month. This was stuff that that I've had for months or like a year or so that I finally got to finishing. But most of these products I absolutely love, because if you guys don't know this about me, whenever I buy something, if I don't like it, I'm returning it. Or if I get something in PR and I don't like it, I'm giving it away. I'm giving it to one of my friends. Like, that's just what I do. I don't let things really go to waste. Well, I guess if I return something, it's kind of letting things go to waste, so I'm sorry. Yeah, so let me know in the comments if you guys have tried any of these products, if after watching this video, if you want to try any of these products. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video. Bye!